Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Teena Sagar, and thank you so much for watching my channel. This video is about thrifting old t-shirt to make two
tube tops with or without sleeves.
It's up to you. If you want to make one, you can make one. And let's get straight into the video without wasting any time.
Make sure you hit the subscribe and bell button. I was searching on the website, so I found this on Myntra website. $5.99 was the average price of the tube tops, so I decided to make my own with zero investments with Thrifting Old T-shirt.
project was easy and super easy to make the
tube tops.
Then you can tell me in the comment section if you want more videos like this. I will be really grateful, and you can text below in the comment section. And for more thrifting videos, do subscribe, like and share to my videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications.